So I was just talking about this question, okay, of the last chapter, that is chapter 3. Okay, here it is written that the in the figure 3.36, the sum of the forces, एक minute. So in the figure it is written that 3.36, find the sum of the forces, that means summation of the forces, sum of the couples, summation of moments, and the torque of the entire system about CC axis. So direction cosines are given. Okay, clear? So there are some forces. Say this one is the force 1000 Newton. Okay, from origin to 246. From origin to 246. Okay, and another force is 700 Newton. Okay, from the origin, the line of action is passing through the line of origin to 600. Okay, and there is a couple here 400 Newton meter about 220, and one more moment is there. This is the arrowhead. Okay, this is the vector representation of the moment, that is 500 Newton meter. Okay, at it is approaching from 0 to this is 5 comma minus 8 comma 7, and one more force is given, okay, in a box form. So solid diagonal is there, that is 3 10 4 2, and this is the original initial point and final point through 4 2 3. Okay, so with the solid diagonal it is represented, that is the not force, this is the moment, 800 Newton meter. Okay, 800 Newton meter is the moment. So in your question, see the dimension also, okay, whether it is Newton or Newton meter. So you can see that this is the 800 Newton meter, this is the moment, this one is also moment 500 Newton meter, and this is 400 Newton meter, this is the moment, and these two are the only forces, 700 Newton and 1000 Newton. So you have to see the drawing carefully, whether it is a force vector or it is a moment vector. Okay, so be careful about that. This is a very good example. Okay, it is solved here in your textbook, so you can get that solution. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, so kindly see this. If you have any doubt regarding this problem, then you can ask me. Okay, so today we will discuss about the problem of equivalent force system. Before that, I will go to this example 4.2. Okay, before that I will go to this example 4.2. Okay, so I have taken the snapshot, okay, of this one, so that I can write on this page. Okay, so the question is this, ki there is a diagram. Okay, there is a diagram, and it is said that कि आपका एक drawing है, and it is said that what is the equivalent force system at position A. So you have to find out the moment about A point. Okay, A point, you have to find out the moment, and you have to shift your force on that particular location A. So at A point you have to find the equivalent force system. Okay, equivalent where the dimension of the box is 10. So this one is Z direction, and which one is X and which one is Y? This one is X, this one is Z, and this one is Y. Okay, 8 is K. क्या दिया है 10J. मैं अपनी बुक में देख लेता हूँ क्या लिखा है. This one is X, this is X, this is Y, and this is Z. Okay. Okay. So as per that you have to find out. This is 7 is I. Okay. 10 is J and 8 is K. Okay. हाँ ठीक है सही है. So the force vector is, as per this box, is defined. Okay. As you see that this one is 7 in the minus direction. Okay. From here to here, this is the force vector. Okay. From here to here, this is the force vector. This is 7, this is 10, and this is 8. So 10 in the minus direction. Okay. This is minus, this is again minus. Okay. And 8 in the Z direction, this is positive. So you are getting this one. Okay. Clear? So you are getting this one. 7I, 10J, 8K divided by under root 7 square, 10 square, and 8 square. Summation of these 3, and upper portion is this one, and the value of the force is given 100 Newton. So you are getting the vector representation of force is this. Okay. Now you have to shift here. Okay. So for example, the same force if you are going to shift here. Okay. So it will be placed like this. फिर से हैंग कर गया है. सिस्टम क्यों हैंग कर रहा है? Hello, are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is hang, so I am going to off it and then I will open it again. You're getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry.
Yes, sir.
तो फिर सब गायब हो गया. So I was saying that this is say x, this is z, and this is y. Okay. So मैं कहाँ पर था? So box was there. This was the force, 100 Newton. So you got this actually by using the coordinates. Okay. Now you have to shift this 100 Newton force anywhere here. Okay. 100 Newton force. So when you are going to shift this, so it will be like this. So this one and this one will create a couple. Okay, will create a couple. Okay, so you have to use the position vector. Either you can take this perpendicular distance, or you have to take the position vector from here to here. Okay, from origin to this point, so that you can take the moment. So r is this one. Okay, and this is the force vector. Okay, so force vector into r cross f will give you the moment. Okay, that is this one, r cross f. Okay, f is there, r cross f. So your resultant your replacement of the force along with this moment will be there, along with this moment will be there. Okay, so this force is shifted to this location. Now at a location your force is shifted, say this one is a 100 Newton force, along with a couple C, that is r cross f. Okay, so at a location this is your equivalent force system where you will get this 100 Newton force along with this r cross f. Is it okay? हेलो.
यस सर.
ठीक है. सो अब हम आते हैं क्वेश्चन पे. That is from your textbook. Okay, so I was in the last class I told you that this question you have to solve. Have you solved this question? Anybody? नहीं किया सॉल्व. ठीक है ना, मुझे पता चला कि आपने सॉल्व नहीं किया. आपने तो आप तुरंत जवाब देते. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. एग्जाम में भी टीचर ही सॉल्व करेगा. नहीं, so I'm lifting this question from here to. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, ये रोटेट कैसे हो गया? Okay, this is the question. और इसे मूव कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे कहीं. So the question says that a small hoist has a lifting capacity of 20 kilonewton. What are the largest and smallest equivalent force system at A? So there will be two conditions. See, I told you that in the previous class that this is the hoist, it can move from this location to that location. That means from here to here it can move. Okay, but when you are going to move here, so it will approach basically the diagram in such a way that here you can see that this dimension is given, that is how much? That is from here to here it is given. This dimension is not given, na? So from here to here it is given, and that is 0.3, this one. Okay, that is 0.3. Okay, so this dimension is given, this one is not given. Okay, so this one is 0.3, and the total center to last point, that is given 2.5 meter. Okay, clear? 1 meter is lower point where the force is applied, that is the capacity, maximum capacity of 20 kilonewton. Okay, 0.6 is the length of the hoist. Okay, so when you are going to approach in this position, this is a minimum, and when you are going to approach this side, left hand side the minimum case, and right hand side that is the maximum case. Okay, so two conditions are there. Clear? So for the first condition, as I already told you that this is just like an I section. Okay, this is just like an I section, and on this I section this hoist is moving. Okay, clear? In this way this is moving. So on this surface and this surface the hoist is rolling. Okay, on this surface the hoist is rolling. Okay, clear? Now this is the point about which you want the equivalent force at A point. Okay, at A point. Clear? So from A, if it is approaching the left hand side and this is the right hand side, so if you are going to approach this one, so what will happen? This will approach a triangle. This will be here. This is like this. Okay, okay, and there is a hook, and here your force is there, that is 20 kilonewton. Okay, 20 kilonewton, and anywhere here okay, so this is how much? This is 0.6. Okay, and from center to this place this is 0.3. Okay, in meter. Clear? So anywhere here the A point is there. This is for minimum case. Okay, this is for minimum. Okay, for minimum it is like this. Clear? So your triangle will be what? Your triangle, if you are going to approach this one, so this will be, it is like this. Okay, anywhere here it is approaching, this is okay. So to use this length is how much? 0.3 plus 0.3, and the same is anywhere here, that is 0.3 into plus 0.3. Okay, that is 0.6. Okay, clear? The force is applied anywhere here. Okay, and it is at a distance from this place. that is 1 meter. Okay, this is 1 meter. Is it okay? ठीक है ना? Clear? So
Yes, sir.
this one is 4 meter from this location. Okay, this 4 meter. Clear? So if you want the moment, you are going to shift the force. Okay, shift the force from this location to this location. So you know what is this distance and what is this distance. Okay, so F is how much? 20 Newton, 20 kilonewton, 20 kilonewton. In which direction? In J direction. In which direction? For example, this is X. It is given that this is X and this is Y. So J in the minus direction. Okay. So if you are going to write a force from this location, okay, from this location, that means it is approaching to this. So here to here, this the R vector from A to this point. So R point, R vector is how much? 0.6 is the this distance. Okay, 0.6 meter. I plus 4 meter into J. Okay, 4 meter into J, that is positive. 6 meter again it is positive. Okay, this is the R minimum case. Clear? So F already given. So M about A, you have to find out, that is RA for minimum. K kilonewton meter. Okay, and FA is already given, shifted to that location, that is how much? Minus 20 kilonewton into J direction. Clear? So this is for minimum case. Now for maximum case, okay, for maximum case, I have to use the triangle where we are getting, say this one is from this to this is 4 meter. Okay, and this to this, initially it was given, that is from center to last distance, that is 2.5. You can see that this is 2.5 is given. Okay, so here you have to use this arrowhead. It is not extreme point. So if you are approaching this, so it will be like this. It is like this. So this total one is 0.6. So this one is 0.3, and this total one is 2.5. So from here to here, this is 2.5 minus 0.3. Okay, minus 0.3, that is coming 2.2 meter. Okay, so you have to use this for maximum case. So this is like this, no? So this one is how much? 2.2 meter. This one is 0.3. So you have to use this A point anywhere here. So this is the position vector. If we are going to consider this point, this is the position vector R A max. ठीक है, ठीक है. So हम इसे लेते हैं. So your result will be what? That will be 2.2 मीटर. आई मीटर नहीं लिखते हैं, ठीक है, आप यूनिट को बाद में लिख दीजिएगा. प्लस 4j. ओके, दिस इज योर आर वेक्टर फॉर मैक्सिमम केस. ए लिख देते हैं कि ए पॉइंट के हिसाब से आप निकाल रहे हैं, ठीक है. सो मोमेंट अबाउट ए दैट विल बी 2.2 आई प्लस 4j क्रॉस योर -20 किलो न्यूटन. सो फोर्स को भी यूनिट नहीं लिखते हैं, जे. ठीक है. सो यू आर गेटिंग 44 के किलो न्यूटन meter minus. Okay, and Fa you already know that is -20 kilonewton in j direction. Okay, so this is your result for minimum and maximum case. Are you getting my point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So बेसिकली यहाँ पर ध्यान ये देना है कि ये जो आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, दिस hoist, this one is important. Okay, this one is important. Okay, this one is important. Okay, this length is given. Okay, so this is moving to this position, so it will be like this, and it is moving to this position, this is like this. Okay, so it's not center to center, it is not moving. Okay, so that is you have to consider the dimension also. Okay, so that is important. Clear? So now I'm coming to the next question. Next question, I'm taking this from, just try to solve. Okay, this is this one. Okay, इसे सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करिए. मैं ड्राइंग वहाँ पर प्लेस कर रहा हूँ. कॉपी नहीं हुआ क्या? ये क्यों हो रहा? नहीं आ रहा यार. तो अभी तो आया था, अभी क्यों नहीं आ रहा पता नहीं. चलो हम ड्राइंग ड्रॉ कर देते हैं. So on my textbook I'm taking this drawing. So this drawing is like this. So one force is anywhere here, that is 200 lb. Okay, one more member is there, which is connected to this lower member, and it is welded here. Okay, so two forces are there like this, which is forming a couple, 100 lb, 100 lb. Okay, and this one is 10 fit. Okay, from this to this dimensions are given. Okay, this is 20 feet, 20 feet, 20 feet. Okay, and the question says that replace the forces by a single equivalent force. Single equivalent force. Okay, so you have to replace this total system into a single force. Okay, that is the equivalent force of this complete problem. Okay, so you have to take that. So try to solve that.
Sir, what is the total length of the vertical part of the rod?
Vertical part of the rod is not given. Not given.
Okay, sir.
One more thing, if complete circle is approaching and it is said that this is a couple moment, so this is on a lamina. Okay, and if it is elliptical, so this is, for example, any rod is given, so about that particular axis it is rotating, so your plane will be like this. Okay, clear? And if the perpendicular to this paper, this representation, that means the complete circle, or it can be like this. Okay, this is the couple moment, and here also it is given like this, no? This is like this. Oh, sorry, this is given like opposite arrowhead, this one. Okay, clear? So on that lamina, the paper lamina, that means the paper, on paper, the plane of the paper is this couple is on the paper. Okay, 100 Newton and 100 Newton, whatever it is, 100 lb it is given. Is it okay? ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So be careful about that कि कहाँ पर ये ड्राइंग दी है, उसको जो ड्राइंग को इमेजिन करना भी थोड़ा सा जरूरी है. क्लियर? तो आपको 200 lb को और ये कपल को मूव करना है इस ढंग से कि सिंगल फोर्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाए. ठीक है ना? तो सिंपल क्या करना है, मोमेंट लेना है. ठीक है ना? सो आर वेक्टर ले लेते हैं क्रॉस 200, हम ये ले लेते हैं डायमेंशन, इसको ले लेते हैं z से y और इसे x, फॉर एग्जांपल x y z इन दिस वे. ओके, सो 200 k, okay, 200 k in the negative direction. ठीक है, और कपल क्या दे रहा है, प्लस 100 इंटू 10, so 1000, और किस डायरेक्शन में है, आई डायरेक्शन में. ठीक है ना? तो पॉजिटिव है कि नेगेटिव है, दिस इज पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव. हाँ, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, सो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज इज दिस, so this is positive. if it was like this, so it will be negative. ठीक है ना? so हम पॉजिटिव लेते हैं इसे, so this is like this, so this is positive. clear? ठीक है ना? और इसे सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. सो क्या होगा बताइए.
अबाउट किस पॉइंट ले रहे हैं सर?
आपको क्या करना है, एक रिजल्टेंट फोर्स बनाना है। इसको हम ऐसे लिखते हैं, फिर से लिखते हैं। हमने इसमें एक चीज नहीं लिखी है, आप इसलिए कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो। तो मोमेंट लिखेंगे, अगर टोटल को एक ही फोर्स के बराबर करना है तो जो भी इस फोर्स का मोमेंट होगा इसके बराबर होना चाहिए, ठीक है ना। सो 200 LB फोर्स ले लिया, किस डायरेक्शन में, के डायरेक्शन में, ठीक है। किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, से आर वेक्टर से, ठीक है ना। दैट इज इक्वल टू, इसका मोमेंट क्या आ गया, इसके अंदर इंक्लूड कर लिया हमने एक तरह से 1000। अब बराबर के उधर जाएंगे तो ये माइनस में आ जाएगा, ठीक है ना। आई क्लियर। अब बराबर के इधर ले आएंगे तो ये जीरो में आ जाएगा, जो कि मोमेंट है। बेसिकली दिस इज लाइक दिस, ठीक है। सो अब इसे इधर ले आते हैं, या बराबर के उधर ही रहने देते, क्या फर्क पड़ता है। सो अब आर वेक्टर को हमको डिफाइन करना है, ठीक है ना। तो हम इसे ले लेते हैं y की करस्पॉन्डिंग, दैट इज j, ठीक है। क्रॉस 200 k, दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1000 I, ओके। सो इसे बेसिकली ये क्या मिला आपका, बोलो।
सर 5
y बार कितना आ गया,
5
5, ठीक है।
सर यहाँ पे -1000 आए क्यों लिखा है, प्लस नहीं होएगा
इसको बेटा
RHS में?
अगर समेशन कर देते हैं तो अगर इधर लेके आएंगे तब ना प्लस होगा बेटा, बराबर के पहले लिखेंगे अगर।
ओके सर, अच्छा,
ठीक है ना,
यस सर,
बात समझ में आ गई।
यस
तो
सर।
5 फीट पे इसे शिफ्ट कर दें तो ये बैलेंस हो जाएगा। सिंगल
सर
एट फोर्स में आपका ये कपल भी उसके अंदर एडजस्ट हो गया, दिस कपल इज आल्सो इंक्लूडेड इन दिस, ठीक है ना, क्लियर।
सर 200 LP फोर्स को 5 फीट पे शिफ्ट करें या फिर उसकी वैल्यू चेंज कर दे, 200 उसी पॉइंट पे रखे और फोर्स का मैग्नीट्यूड चेंज कर दे तो भी तो हो जाएगा।
हाँ तब भी हो जाएगा,
ओके।
ठीक है ना। आपको किसी तरह शिफ्ट करना है, वह उसको
यस सर।
इक्विवेलेंट बनाना है बस, और कुछ नहीं। एक क्वेश्चन और अच्छा है, उसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं, जो कि आपने देखा होगा, शायद आपने देखा हो। तो फॉर एग्जांपल ये क्वेश्चन, दिस वन, हैव यू सीन दिस इक्विपमेंट, दिस वन, किसी ने देखा है इसे? हम्म, नहीं आ रहा, छोड़ो, हम ड्राइंग फिर से ड्रॉ करते हैं। ये ड्राइंग देखी है आपने, कहीं पे देखा है ये इक्विपमेंट, हैव यू सीन दिस इक्विपमेंट एनीवेयर?
नहीं सर,
हम्म,
नो
कहीं
सर।
नहीं देखा?
कार की जैक को ऊपर करने के लिए ऐसा कुछ होता है सर?
क्या बेटा?
जो जैक लगाते हैं कार को एलिवेट करने के लिए, उसमें ऐसा कुछ होता है?
जैक में ऐसा होता है?
हाँ, जिस चीज़ से वो रोटेट करते हैं।
जैक में ऐसा कहाँ होता है बेटा? अब पढ़ो
सर
क्वेश्चन,
होता है ना।
क्या लिखा है क्वेश्चन में, कारपेंटर प्रेसेस डाउन on a brace and bit with a 150 Newton force while turning the brace with 200 Newton force oriented for maximum twist, ठीक है ना। What is the equivalent force system on the end of the bit at A? At this location you want the equivalent force, ठीक है ना। बेसिकली दिस इज अ ड्रिल मशीन, हैंड ड्रिल। कॉमन लैंग्वेज में अगर किसी दुकानदार के पास जाएंगे तो उसे बर्मा बोलते हैं, और लेमन लैंग्वेज। हैव सीन हर्ड दैट? कभी देखा है ऐसा?
Yes, I have seen that.
So basically this lever is there, this one, okay, you can see my cursor. So at this lever, basically this is a three-dimensional object, okay. So normally hand drill आपने देखा होगा जिसमें कि एक रोलर होता है, रेचेट होता है जिसको रोटेट करते हैं, but this is also a ratchet by which you are going to rotate that by pressing this point. This is a an object, okay. मैं एक छोटा सा डायग्राम बनाता हूँ. This is like this, okay, clear? So basically on this location you are going to apply some force by left hand, okay. So if he is a right hand person then तो left hand से उसे press करेगा, इसमें की body weight भी apply करेगा, ठीक है. And this is with the right hand side you are going to rotate, so it will rotate like this and this circular portion, okay. So it is rotating like this, so if it will approach second position like this here, okay, and next position is like this, and next to next this one, in such a way that it is going to rotate. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So just
Yes,
like
sir.
rotation portion, if without application of this force, if it is not there, if you are going to rotate, this will create only mark, okay, clear. This will create only mark on the lower object where you want to drill, okay. So basically this is in this way, okay, okay. So this is like this, okay. So it is anywhere here. Are you getting my point? So this is a three-dimensional object which will have one portion in this way, okay, and this is like here, and here is the grip portion by which you can rotate. Here is the upper portion where you can apply your thumb, your hand pressure, and here drill bit is there, okay, which is going to drill the object. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So this is the diagram. Basically this is the three-dimensional object. So here you are applying force in this way, in this line, parallel to this line, okay, clear. This is not on this line, and you are applying force through this. So I am using another color pen. So this is the force by which we are applying some force, okay, and by this force we are going to rotate. So rotation will help you to move the drill bit, okay. So cutter is anywhere in the bottom of the drill bit, okay, anywhere bottom in the drill bit, and this is helical path, okay, like this, okay, similarly like this. So cutters are anywhere here, only these two edges are the cutter, and these grooves are for removing the material, okay, clear. So this is the question, okay, and here it is given that in your question the values are, this is 150 Newton, okay, and here you are applying 200 Newton force, okay, clear. And this is the A location. You have to shift these forces at O location, A location, okay, at A location, clear. And dimensions are given. I am giving the dimension from here to here. This one is 80 millimeter, okay, from here to here, that means this one, okay, This one is 140. Okay, and from here to here, this is 100, and from A to lower portion, this base, that is 100. ओके, सो ये ड्राइंग मैंने इसलिए बनाई, और ये ड्राइंग इसलिए बनाई कि ये कैसे मूव कर रहा है. तो दिस विल फॉर्म ए सर्कुलर पाथ. ओके, like this. Okay, clear? So there are two forces, 200 Newton force and 150 Newton force. Okay, so if we are using this diagram, so हम एक प्लेन पे ले लेते हैं. तो सिंगल प्लेन पे अगर लेंगे तो कुछ ऐसा आएगा. This one is the 150 Newton force, and perpendicular to this paper, this force is anywhere here. So I am giving this, say, 200 Newton. Okay, this is perpendicular to the paper if we are going to say that, but this, if you are going to three-dimensional object, just like here, I have drawn that on the upper side. Okay, you can see that what is going on. The 200 Newton force. Okay, so हम इसे डायरेक्शन ही दे देते हैं basically, and this one is the A point. So this one is the A point. Okay, so two forces are there, dimensions are given. I'm taking this Z, this is X, and on the 200 direction this is Y. Okay, clear? This is Y I am taking. So FA is what? Vector representation of FA. What is that? बोलिए क्या होगा? $150K, ठीक है ना, माइनस 200J.
Yes, sir.
ठीक
Yes,
है?
sir.
ये होगा,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना.
Yes, sir.
तो कपल निकालने के लिए आपको डायमेंशन यूज करनी पड़ेगी, एंड निकालने के लिए क्या होगा, डायमेंशन आपका 80, 140 एंड 100 हो गया 150 के लिए.
320 millimeter.
तो 150 तो इसी से पास कर रहा है.
Sir, A से तो कपल मोमेंट जीरो होएगा.
हाँ, तो 150 तो इसी से पास हो रहा है, तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं है इसका. तो हमें क्या चाहिए, सिर्फ 200, है ना.
Yes, sir.
तो 200 का डायमेंशन आप लिख लो और उसे कैलकुलेट करो. सो बेसिकली you will get the force and one moment. So these two will give you the equivalent force system. Okay, is it okay? लेकिन रिजल्टेंट फोर्स में आपका रिजल्टेंट फोर्स आएगा, मोमेंट में आपका सिर्फ एक फोर्स की वजह से जनरेट होगा. ठीक है ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
क्लियर? ये हो जाएगा, सॉल्व कर लेंगे.
Yes, sir.
है ना, मैं रिजल्ट बता दे रहा हूँ, या तो रिजल्ट लिख लो. मोमेंट का रिजल्ट आ रहा है, फोर्स का तो लिख ही दिया मैंने, मोमेंट आ रहा है दैट इज 34.0 I. चेक कर लेना इसे. 260 नहीं 26.0 K. ठीक है ना, न्यूटन मीटर. सो दिस इज योर रिजल्ट at A. Clear? So this is the force, equivalent force, and
Yes,
this
sir.
is result moment about A. So you have shifted this force from two locations to one location, that is A. So if you are going to shift that, so just like this, आपका ऐसे कुछ था ये लोकेशन, ठीक है ना, और दिस वन इज ए फर्स्ट फोर्स F1 and this one is the F2 force. Okay, F2 force, so F2 you have to shift here. Okay, clear, and F1 you have to shift here. ओके, सो F1 तो आ गया, और F1 ये दोनों क्रॉस कर, मतलब कोई कपल जनरेट नहीं हो रहा, ठीक है। लेकिन अगर हम इसे देखें, सो ये और ये कोई कपल जनरेट नहीं कर रहा, ठीक है ना, क्लियर, नलीफाई हो जा रहा है। बट दिस वन is shifted to this location F2, and this one along with this is creating some couple. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The question is this one कि how you are going to get the equivalent force system. Clear? ठीक है, अब टाइम तो है नहीं बेटा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एक और अच्छा है, उसको मैं बता दे रहा हूँ, दैट इज 4.13 and that is I'm going to draw that first, ठीक है। This is the wall, it is given here, and coordinate axes are like this. This one is y, this one is z, this one is x. Okay, now the drawing is as per that कि ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक मूव करता है, okay, and then it is moving in the z direction, in this x direction, okay, and then in the downward direction. Okay, this is 5 foot, 8 foot, 9 foot. Okay, and there is a box now. Okay, and from here to here, diagonal is the force. Okay, this is force. Dimensions are given here. This is 3, this is 3, and this is 4. Okay, value दिया है 100 lb, नहीं 1000 lb. Okay, clear? And the question is, find the equivalent force system at base of the cantilever pipe system stemming from force 1000 lb. Okay, this is the question. आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में है कि नहीं देख लेता हूँ। हाँ, this one is the question. Okay, this one is the question. Okay, so this is 5, this is 8, this is 9, and this is the 3, 3, 4. Okay, find the equivalent force system at the base of the cantilever pipe. Base is at, means at a point you have to find out. Okay, clear? So I'm giving the result कि रिजल्ट क्या होगा, मैंने सॉल्व किया है, तो इसका रिजल्ट मैं दे दे रहा हूँ, इसे सॉल्व करिएगा, ठीक है। इसका रिजल्ट है force is coming 514.5 I plus 514.5 J minus 686.0 K LP. Okay, and moment is coming, this is FA. Okay, and moment is coming, that is CA 1200 I minus 1011 8 J minus 6688.5 K. Okay, LB फिट और फिट LB जो आप लिखना चाहें. दिस इज द आंसर. ठीक है, इसे सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करिएगा, नहीं होगा तो मैं सॉल्व कर दूंगा. ठीक है, अरे गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. इसे solve करना है, अगर नहीं सॉल्व होगा तो मैं सॉल्व कर दूंगा, कोई चिंता की बात नहीं है. ठीक है, मैं कहीं पे अगर कैप लगाना भूल जाऊं या वेक्टर रिप्रेजेंटेशन करना भूल जाऊं तो आप उसे मान के चलेंगे. ठीक है, लेकिन आप ऐसा गलती मत करिएगा, आपके नंबर कटेंगे. ठीक है,
ओके सर.
तो आज इतना ही रखते हैं.
यस सर.
Wait for a minute. I'm going to take your attendance.